It's about the time for sunset. And I need to retrieve my cat. He's outside somewhere. I will use this dog whistle to get him back. Here's another person rocking out. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. So I use this dog whistle here. And then I hope he comes a-running. Let's see. What he usually does is chills out in front of the house. He doesn't actually come to me. He goes to the place where he knows that he needs to be. And then just waits there, which is a little bit annoying actually, because it's like he knows where he is, but I don't know where he is. But all that matters to him is that he knows where he is. Who's the neighbor's cat? The neighbor's cat is Lola. She's a nice cat. Okay. It's not on the front porch. He often comes around this corner when I go home. Oh look, there's a white cat there. Interesting. Very interesting. The white cat hops around like a rabbit, kind of. I wonder if he's a half rabbit, half cat. I've never seen this cat before, really. He's like a cow. He has cow markings. Okay. But now, I like that. Wow, that cat does not like that. So, I think that cat is missing its tail. That's why it hops around in a weird way. Hello! I have to calm it. It sort of defeats the dog whistle. Alright, let's go inside and see if I can. Oh, there he is.
They thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away.
It's so hard to see him. It's so hard to see him. He stays in the shadows. He's such a smart cat. He's smarter than you two. See, he does this funny thing. Oh, this car is coming. He doesn't like cars. It's pretty calm, actually. Relatively calm. Relatively calm. Make my way through the fig tree. Fig. Okie dokie. Whoa! He just got really angry all of a sudden. And his claw is stuck inside my arm. There he goes. And I will reward him with some cream that I have left over from Sari and Bennett visiting. Here, Mal. Look. Well, let's see what he did to my arm. Holy cow. Hurts. And that's what he did to my arm. Not good.